Hi guys, you're watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. Corona has taken its toll. With millions falling sick every day, nobody knows when this pandemic will end. अगर आपने भी मेरी तरह कोरोना को फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस किया है तो आप जानते हैं कि ये बैटल आसान नहीं है। ठीक होने के बाद भी ब्रेथलेसनेस एंड फटीग जैसी कई प्रॉब्लम्स हमारा साथ नहीं छोड़ती। After all, your body does go through a lot trying to survive. कोरोना रिकवरी प्रोग्राम है आपका वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन टू फिक्स ऑल दीज प्रॉब्लम्स। ये इजी टू फॉलो रेजिमेंट स्पेसिफिकली डिज़ाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं है। सिंपल, कंट्रोल्ड और स्लो बॉडी मूवमेंट से ये प्रोग्राम आपके स्टैमिना को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा। ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस विल improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. सो गाइज, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ सिंपल बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके। ये सभी मूवमेंट्स आप सिटिंग या स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में कर सकते हैं। आज की हमारी फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है आर्म लिफ्ट टू चेस्ट ओपनर्स। टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन, होल्ड योर ब्रेथ while you open your arms, bring them back down, breathe out as you bring the arms down. Breathe in, hold your breath, breathe out. In, hold your breath, breathe out. 8 repetitions. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is our overhead shoulder stretch. Interlock your fingers. Take a deep breath in as you lift your arms up. Breathe out as you relax. Breathe in as you lift up. Breathe out as you relax. 8 repetitions again. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is our side dips. Let's stretch your arms out and above your head. Deep breath in. Breathe out as you dip down on the right side. Breathe back in. Breathe out as you dip on the other side. Breathe back in. Let's perform 8 repetitions. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is closed fist flexion to extension. Stretch your arms out in front of you. Make fists. Stretch down and up. Down and up. 8 repetitions again. And relax. Up next, guys, is a few head movements. Let's start with left to right. Over to your left shoulder, fully stretching your neck. Slowly over to the right shoulder. over to the left and the right. Keep going. And relax. Up next, guys, is your head tilts. So tilt your head over to the right shoulder, keeping your shoulder blades and your shoulders stable, and over to the opposite side. And relax. Finally, guys, we'll do some head nods. Look up and down. Breathe in as you look up, breathe out as you tuck your chin down. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is our sitting good mornings. Make sure that your back stays straight. Take a deep breath in as you bend down, keeping your back straight. Breathe in, breathe out. 8 repetitions. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is sit to stand. So start in the sitting position. Breathe in, breathe out as you lift. Breathe in as you sit back down, keeping your back straight. And relax. Finally, guys, toe pull-ins to extensions. Let's start with your left leg. Hold it up, pull your toes in and down. Relax. Let's repeat on the other side. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी warm-up movements and I hope that you are sufficiently warmed up now. If not, you can always go ahead and repeat the circuit one more time. अब हम करेंगे आज के कुछ योगा आसन्स. So guys, आज का हमारा first आसन है वीरभद्र आसन, also known as the warrior 2 pose. इसे हम करेंगे standing position में. So make sure that you're standing nice, spine straight. Open your legs nice and wide. Open them as wide as you can while maintaining your balance. Stick your right toe out. Bend your right leg, keeping your left leg straight. Hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. We will repeat Veerbhadra Asana now on the other side. Feet nice and wide. Open them as much as you can, maintaining your balance. Point your left toe out. Bend your left knee in, keeping your right leg straight, and hold. And relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है एक पैरा नवासन, also known as the one-legged boat. इसे हम करेंगे sitting position में. Legs out in front of you. Bend your legs. Stretch one leg out until your leg is straight and balance. And relax. एक बार फिर से रिपीट करेंगे the one-legged boat on the other side. Bend your legs. Stretch one leg out and hold. And relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है जठारा परिवर्तनासन, also known as the belly twist pose. इसे हम करेंगे supine position में. Lie down on your back. Hold your legs up in tabletop. Hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds. Come back and relax. दूसरी साइड भी रिपीट करेंगे जठारा परिवर्तनासन. Hands on the side, legs in tabletop position. Drop your knees over to the right side, looking. And relax. So guys, आज का हमारा लास्ट आसन है अर्ध सर्वांगासन और द हाफ शोल्डर स्टैंड. इसे भी हम करेंगे सुपाइन पोजीशन में. So lie down on your back. Make sure that you perform this movement smoothly, no jerks. Slowly lift your hip up, balancing your hip onto your hands. Knees stay half bent. Ankles on top of knees. Do not stretch your legs straight out. This is your half shoulder stand. Slowly lower down, one, then the other. And relax. So guys, ये थे हमारे आज के आसन्स और अब हम करेंगे कुछ ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस. आज की हमारी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है शीतली ब्रेथ. इट्स ऑल्सो नोन एज द कूलिंग ब्रेथ. इसमें आप सांस अंदर भरेंगे थ्रू द माउथ, कीपिंग योर टंग कर्ल्ड. सांस को बाहर छोड़ेंगे थ्रू द नोज. We can do this for up to 2 minutes. In through the mouth out through the nose. रिलैक्स। आज की हमारी फाइनल एक्सरसाइज है बेली ब्रीदिंग, ऑल्सो नोन एज डायाफ्रामेटिक ब्रीदिंग। कीप वन हैंड over your heart, one hand over your belly. Take a deep breath in. Your stomach pressing against your hand. As you breathe out, feel your stomach getting pushed toward the spine away from your hand. Relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की exercises and I hope that you're not too tired. Remember, consistency is the name of the game here. It's a marathon, not a sprint, so please take it easy and give your body a chance to heal. Please subscribe to the Dainik Savera channel for cutting edge fitness challenges. Happy healing.